Today, we're going to show you how easy it is to replace your tilt latches on a Vinyl Max window. The tilt latch is located at the top left and the top right of your lock rail. The tilt latch is held in with this clip. To remove, we're going to decompress this clip and slide the tilt latch out. We'll unlock the window, raise it about 3 inches, tilt the window toward us. We're going to decompress the clip and we're going to push the tilt latch out. To replace, we want to make sure the 45-degree angle is towards the window. We'll slide this in till we hear a click. We will repeat on the other side. Slide it in till we hear a click. We'll close the window. And we'll lock the window. Again, show you how easy it is to replace your tilt latches on a Vinyl Max window.